Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing why you should consider starting a limited liability company, or LLC, and how to obtain an employer identification number, or EIN, in the state of Kansas. So, let's dive right in. Why start an LLC in Kansas? First, let's explore why starting an LLC in Kansas can be a smart decision for entrepreneurs and small business owners. 1. Personal liability protection. One of the key advantages of an LLC is personal liability protection. By forming an LLC, you separate your personal assets from the company's liabilities. This means your personal savings, property, and investments are protected if your business faces legal troubles or financial difficulties. 2. Flexibility and simplicity. LLCs offer a flexible and straightforward business structure. Compared to corporations, LLCs have fewer formalities, making them easier to manage and operate. Additionally, you have the flexibility to choose how you want your LLC to be taxed, either as a sole proprietorship, partnership, S corporation, or C corporation. 3. Credibility and professionalism. Forming an LLC can enhance your business's credibility and professionalism. Clients, customers, and partners often perceive an LLC as a more established and trustworthy entity, which can lead to increased opportunities and partnerships. Now that we've discussed the benefits of an LLC, let's move on to the step-by-step process of starting one in Kansas and obtaining an EIN. Step 1. Choose a name for your LLC. Begin by selecting a unique and distinguishable name for your LLC. Ensure it complies with Kansas's naming requirements and that it's not already in use by another business entity. Step 2. File Articles of Organization. Next, file the Articles of Organization with the Kansas Secretary of State. This document legally establishes your LLC and includes vital information like the company's name, registered agent, and principal place of business. Step 3. Appoint a registered agent. In Kansas, you must designate a registered agent for your LLC. The registered agent acts as the point of contact for legal and official documents on behalf of your business. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. While not required by Kansas law, it's highly recommended to draft an operating agreement. This document outlines the ownership structure, member responsibilities, and internal operating procedures of your LLC. It helps prevent disputes and clarifies expectations among members. Step 5. Obtain an EIN, Employer Identification Number. To obtain an EIN, visit the Internal Revenue Service's (IRS) website or complete Form SS-4. An EIN is necessary if you plan to hire employees, open a bank account, or file certain federal tax returns. Step 6. Register for state taxes and licenses. Depending on the nature of your business, you may need to register for state taxes and obtain specific licenses or permits. Check with the Kansas Department of Revenue and relevant state agencies to ensure compliance. Step 7. Comply with ongoing requirements. Once your LLC is up and running, it's important to comply with ongoing requirements. This includes filing annual reports with the Kansas Secretary of State, renewing licenses and permits, and meeting any other state and federal obligations. Congratulations! You've successfully started an LLC and obtained an EIN in Kansas. Remember to consult with legal and tax professionals to ensure you've met all necessary requirements and to receive personalized guidance. Starting an LLC in Kansas can provide you with personal liability protection, flexibility, and enhanced credibility for your business. By following these step-by-step instructions, you can navigate the process smoothly and enjoy the benefits of running your own LLC. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 1 minute through Northwest Registered Agent. The full review of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below. Starting an LLC? Let us show you how to do it in a right way. First thing first, the whole point of an LLC is to separate you and your business. That's what protects your finances and privacy. Start by appointing a registered agent. Your LLC official point of contact. Hiring a registered agent is a smart and affordable method to maximize privacy. Next, see if your name is available by checking your state business database. Now you are ready to file state paperwork. The average fee is around $100. Apply for a free EIN from IRS website. Having your tax ID in hand you'll make the rest steps easy. Put your LLC policy in writing with an operating agreement. Make it easy with free template like ours. Remember when we said LLC separates you and your business, that's why your LLC needs its own bank account. Your bank account does not do any good in empty, time for each member to contribute. Be prepared for annual files and fees like state reports and taxes. Check the link in the description below. Start your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent.